Hey everyone, Ray here from RaeRoute. Sydney is a dazzling city, world-famous beaches, the iconic Opera House, and that stunning harbour bridge. It's no wonder it's a tourist hotspot. But Sydney has a whole other side, a local side, filled with hidden gems and secret spots. Today, we're ditching the guidebooks and taking you on an adventure to discover a Sydney only Sydneysiders know. So, grab your reusable water bottle, comfy shoes, and an adventurous spirit. Starting from the secret beaches and stunning coastlines, Sydney isn't just about Bondi, although that is pretty iconic. Buckle up for some hidden coves and local favourites. Milk Beach. Tucked away near Vaucluse, Milk Beach offers calm waters, incredible views of the harbour, and a relaxed atmosphere. Perfect for a picnic with friends or a morning swim. Shelley Beach. This tiny beach in Manly is a paradise for snorkelers. Calm, clear waters teeming with colourful fish make it a hidden gem for underwater enthusiasts. Parsley Bay. Fancy some celebrity spotting? Parsley Bay in Vaucluse is a favourite among Sydney's rich and famous. Think yachts, crystal clear water, and a chance to brush shoulders with Aussie A-listers, maybe. The Coal Loader. This former coal port in Waverton has been transformed into a vibrant public space with harbour views, quirky cafes, and even a beach. Grab a coffee, soak up the sunshine, and enjoy the unexpected beachside oasis. Manly Wormhole. Okay, this one requires a bit of an adventure. Head to the northern end of Manly Beach and scramble over the rocks. Be careful, tides can be tricky. You'll be rewarded with a historic tunnel, the Manly Wormhole, carved by fishermen over a century ago. Next up, urban escapes and hidden gardens. Sydney isn't all beaches. Let's delve into some unexpected green havens. Wendy's Secret Garden. Nestled in Lavender Bay, this beautiful garden is a labour of love by Wendy Whiteley, wife of the famous artist Brett Whiteley. Filled with sculptures, mosaics, and stunning harbour views, it's a tranquil escape in the heart of the city. Paddington Reservoir Gardens. Ever heard of a reservoir turned into a public garden? Yep, that's Sydney for you. Explore the cascading waterfalls, hidden pathways, and lush greenery in the heart of Surrey Hills. The Rocks Markets. Okay, this one isn't exactly hidden, but it's a local favourite. Every Saturday and Sunday, the Rocks comes alive with a vibrant market. Find unique souvenirs, handmade crafts, delicious local treats, and soak up the historic atmosphere. Angel Place Birdcages. Look up. Suspended above Angel Place in the CBD are a series of colourful birdcages. This public art installation adds a whimsical touch to the busy city streets and is a great spot for an Instagram snap. Next up, foodie adventures and local eats. No exploration is complete without some delicious detours. Here are some hidden foodie gems. Elle's Juke Joint. This underground speakeasy in Darlinghurst is a haven for live music lovers. Think smoky atmosphere, delicious cocktails, and toe-tapping blues tunes. Apollonia. Craving a classy night out? Apollonia in Potts Point is a hidden gem with an intimate setting, innovative cocktails, and mouth-watering Greek-inspired dishes. The grounds of Alexandria. This sprawling complex in Alexandria is more than just a cafe. Explore the specialty stores, admire the urban gardens, and indulge in their delicious brunch menu. Seriously, the ricotta hotcakes are legendary. Spice Alley. Hidden down a laneway in Chippendale, Spice Alley is a haven for Asian street food. From steaming bowls of ramen to sizzling Korean barbecue, you can embark on a delicious culinary adventure without leaving the city. Tram Sheds. This historic tram depot in Glebe has been transformed into a foodie paradise. Find an array of restaurants, cafes, and specialty stores all under one roof, perfect for a weekend brunch or a casual dinner date. Next up, unique experiences and local secrets. Sydney offers more than just sights and bites. Here are some unique experiences you won't find in the guidebooks. Pylon Lookout. Ever wanted to climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge? Well, not quite, but the Pylon Lookout offers incredible panoramic views from inside one of the bridge's pylons. Book your tickets in advance, though, as spots fill up fast. Sydney Opera House Tour. Go behind the scenes of this architectural marvel. Take a guided tour of the Sydney Opera House and discover its secrets, from the iconic shells to the backstage workings. Barangaroo Reserve. This waterfront precinct in the city centre is a local favourite for picnics, walks, and harbour swims. Explore the Barangaroo district with its modern architecture, public art installations, and stunning harbour views. The Australian National Maritime Museum. Immerse yourself in Australia's rich maritime history. The Australian National Maritime Museum in Darling Harbour houses fascinating exhibitions, historic ships, and interactive displays, perfect for a rainy day or a dose of culture. Next up, hidden bars. Sydney's got a thriving cocktail scene, and some of the best bars are hidden gems. Try Eau de Vie in Darlinghurst for a Parisian-inspired atmosphere and innovative cocktails, or maybe Sammy in Chippendale for a speakeasy vibe and seriously skilled bartenders. Next up, day trip delights, escape the city limits. Sydney's beauty extends beyond the city centre. Here are some charming day trips for a local escape. The Royal National Park. Just south of Sydney lies a world of natural beauty. Hike through towering forests, swim in crystal clear waterfalls, or camp under the stars in Australia's oldest national park. The Blue Mountains. A short drive west of Sydney, the Blue Mountains offer stunning scenery, dramatic waterfalls, and charming villages. Take a scenic train ride through the mountains, explore Jenolan Caves, or visit the historic mountain town of Leura. Hunter Valley Wine Region. Looking for a romantic getaway? The Hunter Valley, north of Sydney, is Australia's oldest wine region. Spend the day indulging in wine tastings at cellar doors, enjoying delicious lunches at wineries, and soaking up the beautiful countryside. Palm Beach. Fancy some beachside charm? Palm Beach, north of Sydney, offers pristine white sand, crystal clear waters, and a relaxed atmosphere. Hike the scenic trails, take a surfing lesson, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Ku-ring-gai Chase National Park. This national park north of Sydney offers a variety of landscapes, from eucalyptus forests to sandstone cliffs and waterways. Hike to stunning lookouts, explore Aboriginal rock art, or rent a kayak and paddle through the picturesque waterways. And lastly, what we really need to know. Local tips and tricks. To truly explore Sydney like a local, here are some insider tips. Opal Card. Invest in an Opal card for hassle-free travel on Sydney's public transport system, including trains, buses, ferries, and light rail. Off-peak travel. Sydney's public transport system uses an off-peak fare system. Travel after 8:30 a.m. on weekdays and all day on weekends and public holidays to score cheaper fares on trains, buses, ferries, and light rail. Free ferry rides. Did you know Sydney has some free ferry rides? Take a scenic ferry ride from Circular Quay to Darling Harbour or Manly for stunning harbour views without breaking the bank. Weekend markets. Sydney comes alive with vibrant markets on weekends. Explore the Paddy's markets in Haymarket for souvenirs and bargains, or head to the Carriageworks markets in Everleigh for local produce, artisan crafts, and live music. Sunset chases. Catch a breathtaking sunset over the harbour. Some local favourites include Barangaroo Reserve, Wendy's Secret Garden, or the Opera Bar. Local lingo. Want to sound like a true Sydney sider? Learn some local lingo: servo for gas station, brekkie for breakfast, tongs for flip-flops, and barbie for barbecue. So there you have it, folks. Our ultimate guide to exploring Sydney like a local. From hidden beaches to secret gardens, delicious eats to unique experiences, we've given you a taste of Sydney beyond the tourist traps. Remember, the best way to discover a city is to wander, explore, and embrace the unexpected. So, put on your walking shoes, grab your reusable water bottle, and get ready to fall in love with Sydney all over again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures around the globe. And as always, stay tuned for the next episode of RaeRoute.